You see them everywhere, right? Teslas. They're sleek, they're silent, and they honestly look like they just drove out of the future. But the real story? It's not just about the car you see on the street. It's about a huge, hidden network that makes the whole thing possible. So today, we're going to pop the hood and find out who really builds a Tesla.
You know, the story of how one of these cars actually gets built is so much bigger than just one company in California or Texas. It's about this hidden, global network of suppliers and partners, and once you understand that network, well, it kind of changes everything. All right, let's get into it. So a great way to think about Tesla is like an iceberg. The finished car with that iconic T on the hood, that's just the tip. It's what we all see above the water. But underneath the surface, there's this massive hidden ecosystem of partners, and that's where the real story is.
So where do we even begin? Well, as one of our sources from Investopedia points out, Tesla is famously tight-lipped about who it works with. And that secrecy, it basically creates this giant, fascinating puzzle. And today, we're going to put the pieces together.
Okay, so to start solving this thing, first we've got to understand what Tesla doesn't farm out. See, the key to their whole game, their entire competitive edge, is the critical tech they keep completely in-house.
So here's the deal. On one side, you have the heart and soul of the car, the electric motors, the battery packs, the chargers. This is Tesla's secret sauce. When you control the motor design, you control that crazy instant acceleration that Teslas are famous for. And by building their own battery packs, they control the range and charging speed. I mean, those are the two biggest things any EV driver cares about. But for pretty much everything else, from the raw materials to specialized parts, they lean on that massive global network.
All right, so now for the fun part. Let's pull back the curtain on this hidden web and start naming some names. Who are these secret partners that are so vital to Tesla's success? First up, let's talk about the ones we know are involved. Because even with all the secrecy, some of these partnerships are just so massive, so fundamental, you just can't keep them under wraps. And wow, just look at the names on this list. You've got battery giants like Panasonic from Japan and CATL from China. You've got global mining titans like BHP pulling nickel out of the ground in Australia and Glencore supplying that essential cobalt. These guys aren't just sending parts in a box. No way. They're literally the foundation of Tesla's entire operation. Okay, so those are the big names we know for sure. But that's just scratching the surface. The rabbit hole goes way, way deeper into this world of rumored, unconfirmed, but incredibly powerful partners. Now, check out just a few of these rumored heavy hitters. We're talking absolute titans of industry, like Emerson Electric, the automotive powerhouse Magna International, and yeah, even the navigation experts at Garmin. These are not small-time shops. These are leaders in their fields. And get this, that list, that's just a tiny sample. Our source material points to over 80 other rumored suppliers. 80! I mean, that number alone tells you the real story, the true scale of this hidden network, this huge global team working completely behind the scenes. So when you hear a number like 80, it's kind of staggering, right? And it brings up a huge takeaway. Because beyond just being curious, understanding this web opens up a really powerful and often overlooked way to think about the whole EV revolution, especially if you're thinking about this from an investor's point of view. Okay, so here's the big so what for investors. You don't actually have to bet on just one car company to get in on the EV boom. First off, diversification. By looking at suppliers, you're not putting all your eggs in one car company's basket. Second, value. If a car maker's stock seems way overvalued, their suppliers might be a smarter buy. And here's the most important part. These suppliers win as long as the entire EV market grows. They're riding the whole wave, not just one company's surfboard.
And you know, this whole investment idea, it actually points to something much bigger. Understanding Tesla's network isn't just about one company. It's really a window into the future of the entire EV industry and modern manufacturing itself.
So what's the bottom line? It's actually pretty simple, but it's huge. Even the most innovative, most disruptive companies on the planet don't do it alone. Success, especially on this scale, is a total team sport, built on a foundation of countless partners, all contributing a critical piece of the puzzle. And all this leaves us with one last big question to chew on. As this EV revolution really takes off, where does the real power actually lie? Is it with the shiny, famous brand you see on the road, or is it with this massive, invisible network that's quietly building our future from behind the scenes? Something to think about. Thanks for joining us.